Hi, in today's video, we're going to show you how to connect Digital Yacht AIS or NMEA to Wi-Fi to Savvy Navvy. First off, make sure you are connected to one of the Digital Yacht product Wi-Fi network, such as here Navlink2, which is an NMEA 2000 to Wi-Fi server. Then open your app and go on the left-hand side and you can go on the settings. Once you are on the settings, you will see a new stuff called NMEA Connect. Click on Connect Devices. And then now you can either choose between TCP or UDP. I will come back to this later. If you decide to choose TCP, then the server address is 192.168.1.1 again. And the port is always 2000. And then you click on Save and the data will start coming up. Or if you want, you can decide to choose UDP, which allow you to connect up to 7 devices to Digital Yacht Wi-Fi server or AIS with Wi-Fi. Then the main server address is 0.0.0.0 and port is always 2000. So if you decide to use many tablets or iPad, make sure you are setting up to UDP. So now you can start seeing some data like depth, wind, position, etc. But also very cool features with Savvy Navvy. If you have engine connected to your NMEA 2000 network, you will start seeing the RPM of your engine being displayed on the NMEA Connect dashboard onto Savvy Navvy. So you need to understand that Savvy Navvy only accepts NMEA 183. So if you have an NMEA 2000 network, you need to start converting the data with a unit like Navlink2, which will convert all the NMEA 2000 to NMEA 183. Also, very cool features with Savvy Navvy, you can now click on your target. So you used to get AIS target over internet, but now you can also get AIS from your AIS receiver transponder. You click on the target and you will start seeing the MMSI, distance from your positions, and so on. And hopefully, new features will be added soon with the NMEA data. So the NMEA features from Savvy Navvy was added in November 2025. So it's quite new and hopefully soon they will start adding some new features and new integrations with the NMEA data. So thanks for listening. That's all for today.